might have broke the car, we'll see. Rise and shine, it's drifting time. It's early in the morning. The Z is loaded. Just filled her up with gas. Chris is over there wiping his windshield. His car's ready to go. We got a sick ass bike in the back. We got extra gas. We got Terry following us in his toy hauler. We are ready. We are ready to go. We are excited. We haven't drifted since 2016, so I am beyond nervous. I am beyond nervous. And let's get this thing on the track. Let's make our way there. Apple Valley, here we go. What's up, guys? So we just made it to the track. It is quite cold. Pillow and I already got here first. They haven't opened up the gates yet. The trucks made it well. Terry did good, even though he started behind us, ended up here 20 minutes ahead of us. Z made it all the way. Everybody else is starting to show up little by little. Over here, the day's finally come. I'm pumped. I'm excited. Just finished installing the other seat harness for the passengers. So, gosh, there's a lot of purple in here. Purple. So yeah, gotta wait for the gates to open. Once the gates open, we'll go in, we'll set up, probably walk the track, do the tech inspections, and get on the way and get on the track, man. I'm pumped. I'm excited. I'm gonna show you guys a quick car check. Balloon's car is way too low. He's gonna drift it on an open diff, calling him out, but it's all good. He just got himself, is it a C31 is it called, or Y31?
It's Leopard.
A Leopard?
Nissan Leopard.
Okay.
Yeah, M30. Infinity M30.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
So what are your plans with that one?
Down to fully send it and then just have a good time with it. I got it for a good price. I couldn't pass it up, and you know, just have a good time. Here we are, gonna have a good time.
First drift of it, right?
Yes, sir.
You've been in the drift scene for how long?
For, I want to say, well, how you put me into it, what, 10 years ago? Put me onto it like 10 years ago?
Has it been 10 years?
It's been like 10 years, bro, a little bit more.
And it's your first drift of it?
This is my
first time sliding, at least.
And in the track, yeah. With this car, yeah. Nervous.
Nice. Okay, so it looks like they're about to open up the gate. So next shot is gonna be us rolling inside. All right, so we're inside now. Got a nice little spot right here. We got Chris and Terry setting up. I got prime parking here next to Pellin. People are starting to show up. We're gonna start running tech inspection in a little bit. Rob's out there. Rob, say hi to yourself. He's setting up the fire extinguishers. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day for drifting. If you're boosting, you love this weather. It's boost weather. Rob, name about your MV battles. I love MV battles, but we're getting there. Gosh, I'm so pumped. I am so pumped. It's a lot more cold than I thought it was gonna be, but get in there. Do a once over on the car, and let's get on the track. What's up, guys? I know I didn't record a lot of like face-to-face, but just a quick update. It's the end of the day. We're calling it a day. The car did amazing. Gustavo did more amazing. He's gonna give us some amazing footage. The 370Z completely blew my mind and how it was going to just overall work, drive. All the suspension stuff worked as it should. Tyner, thanks to the alignment, the car felt solid. I dirt dropped it twice, but even then the alignment is still straight. The car is hooked up. I am running the 200 tread wear in the front Valinos, 300 tread wear in the back. I didn't even finish a full set of tires, guys. So I'm still on the same set that I started with, but I was pretty much done. These are pretty much throwaways already. You can see the wire, but everything, the whole rubber's gone, dude. And I used it from front to back. I did have one issue where I started leaking from the sandwich plate for the oil cooler. I thought the AN line was leaking, so I started putting silicone everywhere to try to stop it from leaking. I was getting a little bit defeated, and I was like, ah, dang it. But at the same time, I was like, okay, it's just the line, I can fix that. But then after putting more and more silicone, and it was still kind of leaking, I'm like, all right, I'm done with it. And I just decided, I'm gonna tighten up that AN real quick. I tightened it up, it was loose. We got back on the track. We knocked out a couple times towards the end, but I am blown away with the car. Hopefully I can come out with a decent, good video for you guys to check out. But this car's amazing. You guys gotta get in a Z chassis. I love it. God, this car is loud. It was an absolute blast today. Thanks, Rob. Thanks, B2 Performance, for having us out here. I'm excited to do these more often. So stay tuned, guys, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and I can come out with more videos for you guys. So appreciate it.